Today, being our party founder's birthday, 97th birth anniversary, today's Mahanadu started with a resolution on our founding leader, Sri N.T. Ramarao Garu. A lot of our senior leaders and leaders who have worked with Sri N.T. Ramarao Garu had spoke remembering their experiences with him. So the day started with remembering our founder leader, Sri NTR. And after that, there were many resolutions which followed regarding the law and order situation in the state, the kind of attacks that have been carried out on our party leaders in the past 1 year, and resolutions regarding the various irrigation projects, the manner in which the Polavaram project, works of the Polavaram project have been halted through reverse tendering, and the manner in which Amaravati capital, there is a resolution on Amaravati capital which was moved. The way in which Amaravati is being, split into three. So all these kinds of issues were discussed, and also other issues pertaining to the financial situation of our state. That resolution is being moved by our former Finance Minister, Sri Animal Ramakrishna Garu, and our party National General Secretary, Sri Nara Lokesh Garu, also is going to speak on a resolution on the various burdens that have been levied by Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy in the past 1 year. We all know how the electricity charges have been hiked, RTC charges have been hiked, and a lot of other burdens have been levied in the past 1 year. So our National General Secretary, Sri Lokesh, is going to speak on that. And more than 10 to 12 resolutions are being passed today, are being discussed today. And in the end, there will be a concluding speech by our National Party President, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu. Even today, there are around 20 to 25,000 people have joined in the webinar today in this digital Mahanadu. So this is a new trend that has been created by Telugu Desam Party in our country. Due to the lockdown, we all know that, usage of digital platforms have increased. So we are the pioneers. We can say that we are the pioneers in using these kind of digital platforms to conduct our party programs, be it video conferencing through Zoom, or now conducting our plenary through webinar. So Mr. Chandrababu Naidu Garu, who is known to use IT information technology in the past also, now has created a new trend in the political party. So it is going in a manner which is more than what we've expected. All our senior leaders from across various districts are participating in this webinar, moving various seminars. It is the very good discussions are happening, and party workers and leaders and all other sympathizers of the party also are very actively participating in this webinar.
Sir, this is the first Mahanadu after the 2019 elections where TDP has faced a troubling defeat. Yeah. Is there any discussion on what course to be adopted for strengthening the party in future?
Certainly, there will be an introspection. So there is definitely an introspection in our party on the reasons behind the failure of our party in 2019. So that is anyway happening, and we will try to amend we will try to solve any deficiencies that are there. We will try to find solutions for them. Our National Party President is looking into such things, and he is making changes wherever possible. Doing corrections wherever necessary, and covering up deficiencies that are there in the party. So that is happening, and definitely we feel that after looking at the past 1 year's performance of Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy, people also have realized that they've made a mistake by choosing Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy as the Chief Minister. People are remembering Chandrababu Naidu Garu's rule in the past, and so we are slowly the support for us is increasing among the public, and we also on our part as a responsible opposition party, we are fighting on behalf of the people on various issues. So people are going along with us, and we definitely feel that days will be far much good for us, and we will definitely come back to power in the next coming elections. So we are all very positive. Our leader is very energetic. He is giving us good motivation, and we are all pumped up, and this Mahanadu will increase our momentum.
Sir, it seems most of the resolutions focused on Jagan's rule and what you call the atrocities of Jagan on TDP.
Yeah, see, we have to discuss on the past 1 year's Jagan Mohan Reddy's performance, because it has been a disaster for our state. No one had expected that it will be so disastrous. I mean, the manner in which Mr. Jagannath Reddy had ruled, focusing only on, vendetta and, carrying out politically motivated attacks and, completely keeping aside development and welfare. So certainly we have to discuss. This is what he had promised to the people before the elections. He had spoken about so much, but he had not delivered anything. I mean, almost 90% of the promises he had made are still yet to be fulfilled. So each and every cross-section of the society today are feeling betrayed, be it the farmers or women or youth. So you go and inquire with anyone, each and everyone is feeling betrayed. So we definitely, we have to discuss about the past 1 year's performance of Mr. Jagannath Reddy. And we are doing that, and we will, through this plenary, Mahanadu plenary, we will, decide on the future course of action on how to, create more pressure on the government on behalf of the people and ensure that, people are not troubled in future.